Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Optum, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin the login process, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for Optum's official website. Press the Enter key on your keyboard to navigate to the site. Once the home page loads, locate the Login button. Typically, this button can be found in the upper right corner of the page. Click on the Login button to proceed. You will be directed to the login page. Here, you will need to enter your username. Make sure to input your username carefully to avoid any. Next, locate the password field beneath the username input. Enter your password in this field. Ensure your password is entered correctly, paying attention to case sensitivity. If you are uncertain about your username or password, look for the Forgot Username or Forgot Password links. Click on the appropriate link if you require assistance. After entering your login credentials, review them to confirm accuracy. Once everything looks correct, locate the Login button on the page. Click this button to attempt logging into your Optum account. If your credentials are correct, you will be redirected to your account dashboard. In case of an error, a message will appear indicating the issue. Follow any prompts provided to resolve the login issue. For added security, consider enabling two-factor authentication once logged in. This will help protect your account from unauthorized access. You have now successfully logged into your Optum account. Explore your account features and navigate through the available services. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.